Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use AI expand feature on CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm gonna open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a new project on this CapCut application. I'm gonna select a new project and I'm going to select video from my download folder or download album. Wait guys, I'm going to select for example this video. Okay, I'm going to use this video to show you the AI expand feature. Okay, and to make the process faster, I'm going to cut the video. Wait guys, okay, like this. And then if we want to use the AI expand, we need to click on our video or our clip like this. And we're going to scroll all the way to the right until we find the AI expand. Okay, basically we can use this AI expand feature to increase the size of our video without the content being stretched. Okay, and we can choose the aspect ratio right here, and I'm just going to select fit. Okay, and then we just need to click on generate. Okay, and then you need to wait until 100%. You will be able to minimize it guys right here. If you want to do other editing on CapCut, you can still use other features in CapCut to edit your video, even though the AI expand process is still running. You can monitor the process right here. You need to wait until the process completed. Okay, it's almost done guys. Okay, now the clip has been expanded and this is the final result. Okay, that's so easy, right? You just need to tap on your video and then search for the AI expand and select the aspect ratio and generate. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use AI expand feature on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!